Planning and preparing meals and family mealtimes can be challenging. Some children refuse to try new foods. Others may have liked a variety of foods in the past, but now only want to eat one food all the time. Here are some tips for feeding your picky eaters. Get your children involved. Invite them to be involved in meal planning, grocery shopping, and meal preparation. They are likely to eat the foods that they are already invested in. Offer choices. Kids are more likely to enjoy new foods when eating them is their own choice. Instead of saying, "Do you want carrots for dinner?" ask, "Would you like carrots or broccoli?" Mealtime is family time. Don't make this a stressful time for the family by lecturing or forcing your children to eat. One bite is great. Encourage your child to take one bite instead of bribing with sweets. Even if the child doesn't like it, praise him or her for trying something new. It may take several tries before your child will develop a liking for a food. Don't be a short order cook. Serve the same foods to all of the family. Your child will be fine if he or she doesn't have a full meal every now and then. Be a food role model. Make sure they see you eating the foods you want them to try. They learn from you. Make food and eating fun. Get creative with presentation. Let your child create a funny-faced pancake with fruit for breakfast. Let's take a kid-friendly food and add a healthy twist that even your picky eaters might be interested in. These quesadillas are nutritious and delicious. The first step to any recipe is always to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. To make these veggie quesadillas, you will need 12 6-inch soft corn tortillas, 1.5 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1 cup corn, 1/2 cup beans, 1/2 cup chopped cilantro, 1 shredded carrot, 1 finely chopped bell pepper, 1 finely minced jalapeno pepper. To make the cilantro yogurt dip, you will need 2 cups plain non-fat yogurt, 1/4 cup cilantro finely chopped, and a 1/2 teaspoon salt. While a large skillet is preheating over low heat, divide cheese, corn, beans, cilantro, shredded carrots, and peppers between the tortillas, covering about half of each tortilla. Then, fold each tortilla in half over the filling. Place 1 or 2 folded tortillas at a time on a dry skillet and heat until cheese is melted and tortilla is slightly golden. This should take about 3 minutes. Next, flip it over and cook the other side until golden. This should take about 1 minute and the quesadilla will be thoroughly cooked and crispy. Now it's time to make the cilantro yogurt dip. Mix the non-fat yogurt, cilantro, and salt to make the dip. To make it more flavorful, you can add spices like cayenne, garlic, black pepper, and even cumin to the dip. Yogurt is a low-fat alternative to using sour cream, while still providing the same creamy, tangy flavor. Cut each quesadilla into wedges and serve immediately while it's hot with the dip. Make sure to refrigerate the leftovers within 2 hours. The LSU AgCenter offers SNAP-Ed nutrition education programs. For more information on SNAP-Ed programs near you, contact Jessica Randazza with the LSU AgCenter in St. Mary and St. Martin parishes.